Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful centerpiece using a vase. I have here this 24-inch vase. You will need a cylindrical vase much like this one. And the method that we're going to be using to create our centerpiece is going to be a hand-tied method. You're going to need some hydrangea, some aspidistra leaves, these dried out willow, and some limonium. So we're going to begin by simply taking 5 hydrangeas and you're going to place them together. One thing to remember is to always put your dried willow branches in right away, because it will be difficult to put them in later on. Cut them using very good floral scissors. So just add in your hydrangeas, add in your branches, and add in your limonium. If it gets difficult for you to hold your bouquet, feel free to take some floral tape and tie it up. So just continue to create your bouquet or your centerpiece here. Add in your limonium. And continuously add your hydrangea around the edges. You want it to look somewhat of like a ball and take on this circular shape. So for this specific centerpiece that we have here, it's a pretty big one. We're going to use about 15 hydrangeas, and since mine are very medium size, we're going to use 15. We also have leaves on the hydrangeas here. These leaves provide for extra cushion and support for your flowers. So you can keep them on if you'd like, otherwise you don't have to, since we have the aspidistra to give additional support in the end. If you do have very large hydrangeas, however, you may only need about 10 of those to reach your desired shape. This is a very big and beautiful wedding centerpiece. Wrap your centerpiece with tape so that it isn't too hard for you to hold it. And just add on your hydrangea. So notice here how my hydrangea has a very curved stature. It makes it easy to create this circular ball shape with the hydrangea. So that's why we use hydrangeas, and they're also very sturdy. Once again, just wrap your bouquet here with your tape. And continue adding your filler. One of the best things about this centerpiece specifically is that we keep the stems, and the stems are later on there so that if you want to take this centerpiece home, You can put it into a vase with hot water and your hydrangeas will last you for much longer after that. It's less work and it's just much better. Your flowers will last much longer. So now we're just adding our aspidistra here. Just wrap up your stems here. Cut anything to length. And now we're going to take this waterproof ribbon. So now we're just going to use our waterproof ribbon here. Waterproof because we will be submerging our centerpiece here into water. You don't want your ribbon to get wet and soaked. So now you're just going to very tightly wrap your stems in your waterproof ribbon. One thing to mention is before you begin wrapping your stem, you want to take your floral tape and you want to put it upside down so that the sticky side is facing upward. This is what's going to make it much easier for you to wrap your bouquet, since the ribbon will just stick to your tape. So once you're done, just add your pins to secure it. And you have finished your centerpiece. Cut any additional stems to length, and you're done. So when you're done, you're just going to fill your vase with warm water and submerge it inside. If this is for the day after, just keep it in a cool place. So thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments, questions, and concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.